Error resolution, reducing reimbursement. For this example, we're looking at an expense report that is totaling $240 in reimbursement or expected money back to the traveler. If we look at the report details and the report totals, we can see that the company is due the employee $240.03. Let's say the budget for this trip totaled $200, and we do not want to pay out the traveler any amount above this. We can reduce the amount of out-of-pocket reimbursement due the traveler for these items. When reducing, it's advised to not reduce into per diem meals and incidentals amounts. To start, let's go ahead and add an expense. We'll create new expense, and then we'll search for the expense type reduction. Once we select it, we'll go ahead and enter in the amount that we'd like to reduce by. Please note that this should be a negative number. For this example, we'll reduce by $40.03. We'll also want to make a comment in the comments to from approvers processors box why this amount is being reduced. Once you've added in your comments, we'll go ahead and save this expense. As you can see, this reduction line has been noted with parentheses and it's been reduced from the total amount. If you go into the report details dropdown and select report totals, we can now see that the company payment due to the employee is $200 total. Thank you for watching.